So I bought this Ryobi pressure washer this weekend. I bought it at Home Depot for $99 plus tax, which came out to $106. And this is the first pressure washer I've ever bought, and I have limited experience with running them. It's a 1600 PSI. The original one I was looking at was a DeWalt pistol grip, which is 550 PSI, and I wanted the DeWalt because I don't have a lot of room to store anything like a big gas powered pressure washer, and it was small and a pistol grip, and I'm just cleaning off my patio with it, so I'm not doing any heavy cleaning or anything like that with it. And so I went to Home Depot, and they did not have any of those, but they did have this Ryobi, and it was $50 less with 1600 PSI, and it advertises that it is small and compact and easy to store. So I'm going to try it out for the first time and see how I like it. So this is what comes inside the box. You've got your spray gun and your high pressure cord and a very long attachment power cord. And it does say in the instructions that it won't take 100-foot extension cord connected to this. So you're limited to up to 50 feet in addition to that cord there. And then it also comes with a turbo nozzle right here. And then inside of that is another connector, and then this dips down inside your detergent. So if you have a detergent bottle, you dip that hose down in there and then connect it to this machine here, and then you can run soap through it. And it says that you cannot use solvent and you cannot use bleach with this machine. So that's something to keep in mind if you buy it and you desire to run solvent or bleach through it for whatever reason that you have. I'm glad to know that now, because I needed to clean off the vinyl siding from my mother-in-law's house, and I intended on using some bleach, but I was not intending on running it through the machine. I was going to mix it with some other stuff to clean off the side and spray it on with the regular spray pump, but not with this machine. So if you need to do that, I would suggest using like a regular sprayer that you'd use on weeds, and mix those chemicals and that, and then spray it on whatever you need solvent on, and then hose it down with this, but don't run it through this. That's what I would suggest. I've done stuff like that before and it worked really wonderful. And then it also has this strap here for your power cord that you can wind it up with when you're done. And then there's one side, I think, on the opposite side, that's where the garden hose goes. And you've got this up here for your nozzle attachments, low pressure soap here, and then high pressure no soap, which is the yellow ones, and then the turbo would be this piece here. And I've already attached this because I intend to use it on my patio. My patio's got so much sticky junk on it, it's really hard to clean it. I've been using a air compressor, and I've been spraying it down with air, and it's just not enough to get it all of the stuff from the campfire cleaned off the porch. All that ash went and stuck to my patio furniture, and so that's what this is going to be used for. So the dimensions are 12 inches this way, and then it is about 9 inches this way. So that's the compactness of it, in case you're limited on storage.
anywhere.
So now we're going to put the bullet tip on here and see what happens. It's not coming off too good. Well, I think overall it looks pretty good. You can see along here, got in these edges, it was all full of crap along there. And up along the walls, and underneath here, got pretty good underneath there too. In the corner. So I think it did a pretty good job. Kind of hosed off the bike a little bit too. So I think I'll give it a plus.